Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I share tips and tricks on how to make money online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with affiliate marketing, one of the most popular and profitable ways to earn passive income online. Affiliate marketing is where you promote another company's product or service and earn a commission when someone purchases through your affiliate link. You don't have to create your own products or offer a service. You just need to find products that are relevant to your niche and audience and recommend them on your website, blog, social media, or YouTube channel. According to Statista, business spending on affiliate marketing hit $8.2 billion in the US in 2022, and Influencer Marketing Hub estimates that the industry will continue to grow to $15.7 billion by 2024 to the power of 1. So if you start today, you'll be in a prime position to take advantage of that. So how do you get started with affiliate marketing? Here are the steps you need to follow. Step 1. Choose your niche. Your niche is the category you want to talk about and promote. To stand out amongst the competition, you should choose a niche that is specific, profitable, and interesting to you. For example, instead of choosing a broad niche like fitness, you can narrow it down to something like yoga for beginners or keto diet for weight loss. Step 2. Decide on a content platform. You can do affiliate marketing on any platform, but some of the most common ones are websites, blogs, YouTube channels, podcasts, and social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok. The method you choose will depend on your skills, preferences, and budget. For example, if you're good at writing and SEO, you can start a blog. If you're good at video editing and speaking, you can start a YouTube channel. Step 3. Find affiliate programs to join. Affiliate programs are where you sign up to get your unique affiliate link and access to promotional materials like banners or product images. There are many types of affiliate programs you can join, such as high-paying and low-volume programs. These are programs that offer high commissions but have low sales volume. They are usually for expensive products or services like software or coaching. Low-paying and high-volume programs. These are programs that offer low commissions but have high sales volume. They are usually for cheap products or services like books or clothing. High-paying and high-volume programs. These are programs that offer high commissions and have high sales volume. They are usually for popular products or services like web hosting or online courses. Some examples of affiliate programs you can join are Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, Awin, etc. Step 4. Create content that promotes your affiliate products. Once you have your niche, platform, and affiliate programs ready, it's time to create content that attracts and converts your audience into buyers. You can create different types of content depending on your platform and niche, such as product reviews. You can write or record honest reviews of the products you're promoting and share their pros and cons, features and benefits, comparisons with other products, etc. How-to guides. You can show your audience how to use the products you're promoting and solve their problems or achieve their goals. Listicles. You can create lists of the best products in your niche or category and rank them according to your criteria. Case studies. You can share your own experience or success story with using the products you're promoting and show your results or outcomes. Tutorials. You can teach your audience something new or valuable related to your niche or products. Whatever type of content you create, make sure to include your affiliate link in a natural and ethical way. Don't spam your link everywhere or make false claims about the products. Be honest and transparent with your audience and disclose that you're using affiliate links. Step 5. Drive traffic to your content. The more traffic you get to your content, the more chances you have of making sales and earning commissions. There are many ways to drive traffic to your content depending on your platform and niche, such as SEO. You can optimize your content for search engines like Google or YouTube and rank for keywords that your audience is searching for. Social media. You can share your content on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, etc. and engage with your followers. Email marketing. You can build an email list of your subscribers and send them newsletters, updates, offers, etc. that link to your content. Paid ads. You can run paid ads on platforms like Google Ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, etc. And target your ideal audience. Step 6. Track and optimize your performance. The last step is to track and optimize your performance as an affiliate marketer. You can use tools like Google Analytics, Google Search Console, YouTube Studio, etc. to measure your traffic, conversions, revenue, etc. You can also use tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, etc. to analyze your competitors and find new opportunities. Based on your data and insights, you can improve your content, keywords, products, offers, etc. and grow your affiliate marketing business. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful and learned something new about affiliate marketing. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and I'll try to answer them. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.